Hello friend, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to send voice SMS with someone. So how you can do it so if you want to send voice SMS, then you should go select someone. Then you can choose here. Then you can type any message. But if you want to voice SMS, then you just now you can select what you want. This is the not voice. This is the typing. But we need to message plus here. Then showing the audio, then plus an audio. Now we can recording, and if we done the message select, then you can just press here. Then if I tap here, then it will be automatic sent to voice SMS to your selected user, I mean your friend or someone. So that's it. Thanks for the watching. Bye bye.